make chili, and it's gonna be chili and edible.
We're using Grandparent Plum's special secret chili recipe.
We have a secret chili recipe, but we're in Alaska, and I'm not banned from this grocery store yet, so here we go. We could put chicken nuggets in there.
Hi, I'm Liam and I'm Weed, and this is the Mono Bean. Hi, Weed.
We're gonna make jelly meat.
We're gonna make
chili.
We're making chili.
Good afternoon and welcome to the show. We're making chili.
And it's chili time.
What if you cut open a cactus and chili poured out?
What if you cut open an egg and there was a gorilla inside?
What if you spoke to a gorilla and the only word that they could say was chili?
Here's all what we're using to make this stuff today. Now I'm filming.
Good afternoon and welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe we have different ingredients that we will be substituting, and they're basically the same thing, so here we go. We're going to do it and it's going to be great. So the first one is 1 tablespoon olive oil. Vegetable oil is basically the same thing. Everybody knows that. This calls for 2.5 tablespoons chili powder, but I know that it's red, so we'll be using cinnamon instead. I do have cayenne pepper, and this calls for 1/4 teaspoon, but we're gonna put more in because it's not expired. Next, we have 1 garlic powder, not expired. Montreal steak seasoning is basically pepper. I do have salt. That is it for the spices. Step 1, dice the onion. First step is cutting the flageolet and doing it right. I know what I'm doing. This is for the audience. Do I take it off? I'm gonna start crying. How do you get the butt off? Oh, were you supposed to cut the butt off before you start doing this?
Yeah.
I knew that. I was testing. Oh, I might have to get goggles for this. And then you want to make sure that they're really even. And you're not gonna hurt yourself because you're a big boy. And this isn't scary. Ooh, look at that simmer. Stir it. We do have a time limit because I'm about to be arrested soon with a whisk.
Okay. So now we're adding the spices. Cumin. He's heaping with, and then it goes into the pot. Give this one and it goes into there. We have garlic powder. Ours has congealed. We're subbing this for tomato because I'm allergic to tomato and Lee hates it because it killed her cousin one time. So into there that goes.
We're geniuses and chefesses.
And I think it's starting to look like chili in there now. Alright, this is looking really good, see?
It really is looking like chili.
Yeah.
None of us are surprised by this.
Now it's time to let it simmer for 2 to 2 hours. Now it is time for some more vegetables.
Like here.
We have beets to substitute for the meat because we are both lactose intolerant, and celery for texture, flavor, and companionship.
This is how professionals do it. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah.
We're going to put the celery in and stir it in until it is dissolved.
It's bleeding. What did you do to it?
I'm opening the can. Yeah, and then you just kind of leave that. And bon appetit. You just go here first.
It's a summer chili.
Oh yeah, so you can drink it like a milkshake.
Here's the beets, and we just have to cut them up a little bit before they go into the chili. This is exactly how Grandparent Plum used to do it.
It's a good thing you're not holding your phone anymore, otherwise you'd be able to use 2 hands.
So something that the farmers of the world don't want you to know is that beets smell like dirt. They really just kind of smell like dirt. And they really just kind of smell like dirt.
They kind of smell like dirt.
They really just kind of smell like dirt.
If you've ever opened up a beet and put it on your counter, it kind of smells like dirt.
It kind of smells like dirt.
It smells like dirt a little bit.
It smells like dirt a lot of it.
Like it's, vegetables, they smell sometimes. Well, this one smells like dirt.
This one kind of smells like dirt.
Kind of smells like dirt.
Okay, time to go into the pot. Would you sell out to Cheetos?
If they made a Liam and Weed jellybean. But like they ground us up and put us into the bean.
No!
Summer chili time, baby.
No, it will taste like silence. Yeah, this is really looking like chili. It's looking like a red light
I think it looks like a chili.
It's looking like a custard, tubby custard, hot summer big chili. So this is the thickener. And if you want something to get hot and nasty thick, put this in. And I believe you add water to help with that.
Chicken.
Sure looks like chili. Kind of looks like milk. Okay.
I'm a vegetarian. I'm also a monk.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, thanks. I got my bachelor degree last week in being a monk.
I got drop kicked by one. These are all the collections of beans we have.
Good
Red
beans to add to the
we
chili
have
today.
Easter beans. We have different red beans. We have black beans, but you're colorblind. The assortment of lentil beans.
Let's get them in there. So many chefs will disagree on the preferred method of bean delivery, but I think this is the best one that we've found so far.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I'm a baby. Oh.
Parent Plum likes to do.
Floor beans are just beans that you haven't met yet.
Throw those beans on in there.
Ooh, that
like
sure
chili.
does smell, don't it, didn't it?
I wish we could beam smells through the internet too. This is really starting to smell like chili.
It sure is. It is.
Here goes the best beans.
It really is starting to look
It
like
really
chili
is
because you like
starting to
kind of
look
look
like
like.
chili.
Did you see the beans?
Yeah,
and
okay. Oh my god, it just splashed me. This is the chili bean pot.
This would make Ramsay jealous.
We created a new smell.
Oh, we invented a new smell.
It's like
It's kind of
it's like a candle. No wax. It's like a naturally grown candle.
It's like, I think we should sell this in department stores as a perfume. Like, I would wear it. Like, if I was going on a fancy date.
See,
with a
yeah,
Bigfoot.
me too.
Yeah. We've made Grandparent Plum's famous summer jelly bean chili, and we are ready to try this. So that was some really good jelly bean chili that we just had right now, and you'll be tasting it the rest of the day just like we are when you make Grandparent Plum's famous jelly bean chili. We'll put the link to the description in the comments below with the recipe, and you can make it yourself. Just like Grandparent Plum used to make. Always remember to save your leftovers so that you don't do any global warming. Save your leftovers.